How you can fix your Snapchat temporarily disabled account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that your Snapchat is updated. For that you have to go into your app store or the play store that you are using and search for the Snapchat. So once you are in the Snapchat, here you have to click on it, and if you have any of this option of the update, so you just have to update your Snapchat account. And after that just have to go back and go into your phone settings, and from here you have to find out the option of the general and click on the iPhone storage. And if you are in the Android, you have to go into your app management settings. Now you just have to scroll down and go in the Snapchat and click on the offload app. Now basically the offloading the Snapchat will delete the app but keep all of its documents and the data. And in the Android you have to clear the cache of your Snapchat. And after that you just have to go back and go into the Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you have to search for the Snapchat support. Now from here is the option of the who can unlock my account. You have to click on it, and from here you just have to scroll down and go into your appeal your account lock. And from here you just have to add the report, in which you have to add your username, email address, phone number and the description, and also fill up this captcha. And here in the description you have to type that your account is locked and you want to unlock. And after that you are able to fix this by just adding a report, and you have to wait for them to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can fix this issue. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.